Coinbase recently detected a massive signal. This is the first occurrence of its kind in over 3 years. The Shiba Inu ecology gets a huge makeover. Nothing could possibly improve upon this. Does the bull season officially begin now? How thrilled I am is beyond words. Truly, this is a monumental day. What is really taking place, though? Who knows? We'll find out. Important notice. The day before yesterday was really momentous. Finally, crypto had a pump. Still, it wasn't insignificant. Even a little gain feels substantial after that many days of losses. The Fed's announcement that it will drop interest rates by 50 basis points in 4 days was a key factor in this. It appears the Fed is once again giving us a little wild ride. Just the appropriate amount of fuel to accelerate the bullish momentum, so things might get fairly exciting shortly if history repeats itself. Hold for a second. Why does this matter so much? There are always tremors in the financial markets whenever the Federal Reserve announces a rate drop, but especially one of this magnitude, 50 basis points. Reduced borrowing costs brought about by rate reduction stimulate investment and consumption. When investors expect more money to flow into riskier assets like cryptocurrencies, the buying pressure tends to spike. It's the same as putting gasoline on a dying fire. Prices might spike as optimism increases if the market reacts historically, setting the stage for a bullish run. Because of the potential impact this decision could have on the market, everyone is watching the Federal Reserve closely. All indications suggest that the Shiba Inu development team is about to release an upgrade at the perfect time. Providing updates when the market is doing well can yield significantly better results than doing so when the market is doing poorly. Updates typically gain traction when the market is optimistic, adding to the already high levels of enthusiasm and confidence. In fact, this is the precise account of events. Friday saw the announcement of some big technological changes to the testnet version of the Shibarium Layer 2 technology which powers Shiba Inu. A new version of Bohr, a crucial component of the network, is about to be released. The upgrade will also coincide with the Cancun hard fork. These enhancements have the ability to significantly boost the network's performance. Possible improvements include a more streamlined storage system, quicker transactions, and a better overall user experience. This will have a profound impact on the Shiba Inu ecology. However, let us pause for a moment. At this very moment, why is this so important? Well, Puppet is only a testnet. Thus, it mimics the main network's functionality without actually adding any value. The ability to fine-tune the system, find and patch flaws, and avoid catastrophic losses is why testnets are so important. Similarly, Ethereum's Sepolia testnet accomplishes the same thing. Even deprecated projects like Goerli and Kovan had their own versions. To set Shiba Inu up for future success, their team is using Puppet to test the upgrades on a local machine before releasing them to the live network. In a green market, the timing is absolutely perfect. Such updates have the potential to increase optimism and elevate Shiba Inu's status as a project with genuine technical support, rather than merely a meme coin. All parts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem will benefit greatly from this update, the relevance of which was further explained by the development team. This is the second hard fork that the Shiba Inu developers have released this year, the first being Cancun, the name of the upgrade. Important community member Lucy tweeted on how these changes will improve Shibarium and its testnet, Puppet, highlighting the importance of these technological advancements. According to Lucy, developers must prioritize the Cancun upgrade since it will allow for fantastic modifications that will improve the network's speed, stability, and security. What changes will Shibarium undergo as a result of the Cancun hard fork? As far as we can tell, it will improve storage system efficiency, speed up transactions, and make the user experience better overall. With this update, we hope to make Shibarium better capable of handling the needs of an ever-expanding user base. The Shiba Inu development team is laying the groundwork for a safer and more efficient ecosystem with the release of Cancun and the improvement of Puppet. This is crucial for the future of Shibarium. Shiba Inu isn't merely riding the hype wave, it's constructing a sustainable future for itself with modifications like these. Now things start to get intriguing. It is undeniably a monumental day. At long last, hope for the future seems to be growing. Today is truly a pivotal moment since a big signal has just emerged over the whole crypto market. You may be asking why that is the case. Well, Coinbase Premium has uncovered an extremely unusual bullish signal for Bitcoin. A member of the CryptoQuant community deconstructed it, outlining the reasons why Coinbase Premium's contraction could be a positive sign for Bitcoin in the long run. This statistic has traditionally been used to monitor how long it takes for Bitcoin to hit a new all-time high. In 2021, Bitcoin reached its highest point ever thanks to a signal that was very similar. What is going on at the moment? A phenomenon known as triangle convergence is being observed by analysts where the top and lower boundaries are approaching zero. In trading, this pattern is called a bullish flag, and it usually indicates that a breakout is about to happen. An independent crypto quant named Avocado on-chain saw the convergence first. He also noted that a comparable structure had emerged prior to Bitcoin's previous bull market's record-breaking ascent. However, why is this important? As for the disparity in Bitcoin prices between Coinbase and other exchanges, Coinbase Premium keeps tabs on it. U.S. institutional investors who mostly trade on Coinbase typically step in when the premium narrows. Such behavior is usually indicative of increasing demand from large players, which bodes well for the price of Bitcoin. If past events are any indication, this might be the precursor to a huge upswing. Bitcoin is going to be the center of attention as this triangle pattern gets tighter. A large number of investors looking to make a profit. Put simply, this could be the initial indication that Bitcoin is preparing for yet another surge, which would be a thrilling development for the cryptocurrency market. As is well known, Bitcoin is never successful when it is alone. The entire crypto space is always dragged along by it. So it's safe to assume that Shiba Inu is in for a wild journey. Indeed, the most recent findings have generated considerable excitement among specialists, with one analyst dropping hints that a major development may be imminent. According to a new analysis by market researcher CryptoCheck, Shiba Inu is now in the limelight, and the token's price might be about to skyrocket. The analyst has forecasted a significant breakout for Shiba Inu based on a number of important indicators, including the Bollinger Bands method. Who is behind all this excitement? The one-day Shiba Inu chart's Bollinger Bands contraction was the focus of CryptoCheck's analysis. Right now, we can assess market volatility with Bollinger Bands. In addition, such a tightening usually indicates that the market is experiencing a period of relative calm before a more turbulent period. The research claims that this type of contraction usually occurs right before a significant price change, whether upwards or downwards. And now for the exciting part, additional signs indicate to a rising surge. The Relative Strength Index RSI for Shiba Inu is one of the most important indicators that provide credence to this optimistic argument. After languishing for some time, the RSI finally touched its yearly low just lately. This indicates that the Shiba Inu market is oversold, which is a common indicator of an impending price reversal. Put another way, when something is oversold, there are usually a lot of people looking to buy it at a low price. According to CryptoCheck, the current situation with Shiba Inu is a prime example of how an increase in demand can cause prices to rise. Moreover, it is not all. The analyst also noticed a V-shaped recovery pattern on the 4-hour chart, which further suggests a bullish breakthrough. A sharp decline in Shiba Inu prices in July was followed by an equally rapid recovery, suggesting that purchasers are prepared to act quickly in response to price drops. This sturdy bounce back from lower levels gives more evidence that Shiba Inu has a strong foundation, which in turn increases the likelihood of an upswing. Just a moment, though. According to the research, Shiba Inu must still surpass a crucial trend line before this bullish scenario will materialize. The floodgates could open if that occurs. Shiba Inu owners may be in for a thrilling ride as the breed's popularity soars. So it seems like we're about to enter something significant. What with all these optimistic indications piling up, such as the Fed's impending steps, improvements to Shibarium, and Bitcoin's unusual premium indicator, a market breakout is in the works, and bull season could start sooner than everyone anticipated. Do you feel prepared to face it? The market's next turn will be lightning rapid, and those who are well prepared may be able to make substantial gains by riding this wave. However, how do you feel about that? Leave a comment in the space provided. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the matter. Click on one